everyone, and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So I am very excited for today's video because I have an unboxing for you guys, and I have thought about this bag for a while now, and I am very happy to be able to have this in my collection, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I do have a little bit of story time that comes along with this bag. Also, if you love these type of videos, please consider subscribing, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so before I reveal the handbag that I picked up, I do want to do a little bit of story time. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that I love a good story time. So this bag, not this bag that I chose, but this particular style from Louis Vuitton has been around for a while. It definitely is one of their classics. And I've been adding it to my wish list on the Louis Vuitton website for a while, but every time that I would go into the store to try it on, I wasn't sold on it. I would try it so many times. I'm like, I like it, but I don't like it. So actually this past, when was it? The last time that I went to Vegas, I was like this close for purchasing this bag, and not this bag, but guys, it's getting so confusing. Okay, so I had been eyeing the Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the Damier Ebene print for a while. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's been around for a really long time. A lot of people have that purse, so I was very drawn to it, and I've been having it on my wish list for a while. So I would go into the store, I would try it on. I'm like, okay, I'm going to get this. But for some reason, I could not get myself to actually purchase it, because something about it was just like, am I just buying it because everybody else has it, because it's just such a hype purse? Didn't really see it fitting into my style. One, because in my opinion, the strap of the Louis Vuitton Alma BB is very thin, and I did not like that. That was one of the things that I did not like. Two, for some reason, that style of purse in that print I just found myself not using it as much. So I knew I liked the style of it, but I wanted something a little bit more unique, and I wanted to make sure that the strap was something that I would feel comfortable with. I definitely knew that I loved the style, one, because of its versatility. I loved that it had the top handle option, and I loved that it did have the strap. However, I was not in love with the Alma BB and the Damier Ebene print with the strap. If you guys have this purse, you guys know what I'm talking about. I love the overall aesthetic of the purse. However, I just could not find myself actually purchasing it. So I always browse the Louis Vuitton website or all these other fashion houses website just to kind of see what's new, what's out there, to see if there's any new type of bag that I am drawn to or that I want to add to my wish list so that I can start saving for it. So that's how I make my wish list. I start just basically browsing, adding everything to my wish list, and then I narrow it down to, okay, can I see myself using it? What is my cost per wear? So I do put a lot of thought into what I purchase. Every now and then I do have an impulse buy, which I'm trying to not do that as often because I always end up regretting it. Either way, anyways, I was on the Louis Vuitton website, and then I saw this Louis Vuitton purse. So it is an Alma BB purse, but it's in a different material and a different print. I guess just material. And I was like, ooh, I really like this. But online, it was always sold out. So I had to go to LA to go and exchange my shoes. I purchased some Louis Vuitton shoes, which I'm hoping to do a reveal on that soon. I purchased some Louis Vuitton shoes, and lesson learned, I should never purchase shoes online because I had to go in and basically exchange them. They didn't fit me. They were too small. I ordered a size 40. I actually ended up needing a size 41 in these particular shoes that I purchase. So while I was there, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try my luck and ask for this purse. So I went down to the Louis Vuitton store on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, and they didn't have this particular purse. They had the Alma, I think it's the small, the PM, in this print, but I was like, it's a little bit too big for me, not the look that I'm going for. So I asked the sales associate, I'm like, hey, do you know if they have this purse anywhere around here that's not too far? So she did go ahead and let me know that they had it at, I think it's the Glendale location. Yes, the Glendale location that they have. And basically she was trying to sell me on, you know, whenever you get there, they might not have it. I can just order it for you. But my thought was, I have not seen this bag in person, and I don't want to have to go through the exchange process. She was being a little bit pushy as far as me trying to order this bag with her. Don't know if it had to do anything with commission. Don't know if Louis Vuitton associates get commission, but I was a little bit put off by that. I don't like when salespeople are pushy. I know what I want. I know what I'm going to get. Just because you're insisting isn't going to change my mind. So I decided to go ahead and obviously exchange the shoes that I had ordered. I exchanged them for a size bigger. They were able to do that for me. But I knew that I wanted to go and hunt this purse down. So it was about 30 minutes away from that location. And I told my husband, I'm like, you know what? Let's just go hunt for it. I'm already here. If I love it, I'm going to go ahead and purchase it. So we went down to the store. Long story short, they did have it. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I picked up. Okay guys, so it is the Alma BB. So it comes in this cute little box. Get this out of the way. Any guesses as to the print that I picked up? So I think this purse, honestly guys, is one of the cutest little purses that I have. So I picked up the Alma BB in the Empreinte leather. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave everything down below just in case if I say the wrong thing. So I will link everything down below. So isn't this the cutest purse you've ever seen? So like I said, it's the same type of style. It is an Alma BB. It has its top handle. It is in all leather, which I love. I don't have a Louis Vuitton in all leather. I don't think I do. All of them are canvases. Yes. So this is my first all leather Louis Vuitton, and I am obsessed. So it is, like I said, small, basically the same frame as the Alma BB in the Damier Urban print. This does have feet at the bottom, which I think is so cute, and I love the contrast between the black and the gold. I've always loved it. I'm here for it. So whenever I saw this, I was like, okay, I have to take it. So it does have a little lock and key. So here are the keys in here, and I think I'm going to leave this on here, and then the lock is actually here on the zipper, and you can actually lock this. I think I'm going to keep it on the lock. Now I have seen some people put it here so you can actually bring them all the way down and lock it here, but I am afraid of this little hole here stretching. I do have the Speedy 35, and I actually put it, the little lock that it comes with, on the side, and it has actually stretched out the vachetta on that purse, so I definitely don't want to do that on this purse. So I'm going to keep it as is. I don't know if I'll change my mind because it does make a lot of noise, but let me show you guys. It does come with, like I said, these top handles, and it comes with two little like loops here, so that way you can put up your strap. And let me show you guys the strap. So one of the things that sold me about the purse, it was just the quality of the strap. So you know that whenever you wear your handbag crossbody, if your strap is too small, or if you wear it on your shoulder, if it's too small, it tends to dig and it can get uncomfortable after a while. So the width of this strap is just perfect for me. So let me show you what it looks like on the back. So it does come with these little clips, and you're able to easily clip this on. And I personally love to carry this bag more so as a top handle bag. To me, it just looks a little bit more elegant. But every now and then, whenever I am busy running around getting my kids, I do tend to put it on my shoulder. Don't really wear it crossbody unless I have to carry a lot of other things. For example, if I'm shopping or anything like that, I do wear it crossbody. So I love the functionality of this purse. And those are the type of things that I think about whenever I make a purchase. I think about how much I'm actually going to wear it. Of course, if it's a special occasion purse, that's something different. But I do pay attention to, one, is it a classic bag? Is it worth the actual cost per wear? Am I going to wear it? I see myself wearing this all through fall and winter, which I just love. One thing that I love as well is the interior, guys. I have to show you guys. So the interior is this gorgeous like yellow mustardy color. And I just mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and link it here somewhere above, that I have been eyeing a yellow wallet. So I think this is my cue to go and purchase that yellow wallet. But isn't this interior just gorgeous? So it is basically just open, and it does come with this side pocket here. The inside of the purse is this like velvety feel type of interior, which I don't mind. I do have other purses that have that interior. But yeah, guys, I love this purse. I'm so happy that I have it in my collection. I don't like to go down to the Louis Vuitton store and for a purchase every single time. But whenever it's something that you're unsure of, I definitely suggest going to the store and trying it on, seeing it in person. Because like I said, I've tried the Alma BB purse many times in the damier of being print. And online, I'm like, yep, I'm going to get it. I go to the store, and literally this happened 3 times that I was like, okay, I'm going to go get it. And I just end up not walking out with it. So I learned my lesson going into the store. If I'm thinking, contemplating, having double guesses about a particular item, go into the store. And another thing that I'm going to mention about this purse is that I've been eyeing a keychain accessory, and I just need to find it first. I need to text some of the sales associates contacts that I have, because online it's sold out. So there is this keychain online, and I will link it down below so that way you guys can kind of get an idea of what the look that I'm going for. So there's keychains that from Louis Vuitton that basically go across the bag. And to me, for this bag, I think this bag kind of needs that extra glam to be added to this bag. So I'm definitely considering buying this keychain. If I do, I definitely will go ahead and update you guys and show you what it actually looks like, so that way you guys, if you guys are contemplating on getting the same purse or are contemplating on adding that charm to your bag, that way you guys can get an idea. But yeah, guys, that is, oh, one more thing. In case if you're curious, the price of this bag is, where's the receipt? So here's the receipt. So this bag, this bag retails for $2,270. In case if you're wondering, again, this is the Neo Alma BB in the Empreinte Noir color, and I am obsessed with this bag, guys. So if you guys see me wearing this all through fall and winter, that's why, because it's just the cutest bag ever. But that is all for today, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you love these type of videos, fashion, unboxing, luxury, definitely consider subscribing to this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give this a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye.